I'm putting a giant glob of crawler on this time.
Dude, that thing doesn't get bit. I don't know what will.
Oh shit. Good, I did just get. Oh shit, dude.
Could have been a better fish too, because we got a lot of worms.
You just got hit too, you see
I
that?
think so. Yeah, that's it.
Fish on?
Yep. Dude, it's actually getting a little bit of a fight to it now.
You got it? Oh, nice. Your rod just bopped pretty hard a second ago.
Did it?
Yeah. It hasn't done it since, but like 30 seconds ago it went like down like pretty far and then stopped. Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, mine wasn't even bopping at all, dude.
Dude, let's go.
I just picked it up to reel it
Is it
in.
fighting like a catfish?
It's fighting honestly pretty decent.
Yeah, it's probably a catfish. Yeah, this is a nice fish.
Dude, I didn't see it moving at all. Like the whole time. What is this? Is it a white perch?
Perch.
Cool, dude.
Get him in, get him in. Nice. That's a good one.
Dude, that is a huge one.
That's because he's mastering.
Dude, oh my god, that thing's huge. Yo, fuck yeah.
Holy shit, dude.
Dude, I've wanted a white perch
yeah,
this
there's
big for a
something.
while. We're about to double up.
So I'm just
Nice white perch there on the worm.
got some.
Oh, we're doubling up. I'm gonna throw it in the bait cooler for a sec.
Yeah, we ain't got a white perch too.
Good thing we got a freaking live well. Do you want me to get the net? Dude, they could be a little flathead.
Dude, yeah, I'm gonna f***ing squirm. With this
Dude, it
flathead.
certainly could.
fighting
Little flathead
exactly-
love
It's fighting
to eat
exactly like a
worms.
chicken. I'm not trying to horse it too much.
Yeah, yeah, of course not.
I mean, I don't think it's a very big fish, but it's a nice fish.
Yeah. Dude, that
I
white
casted this
perch.
thing out. Keep in mind, I casted this thing out so far.
Yeah.
Like, I was thinking, I was like, hey, maybe this is where the decent fish look.
Dude, that's crazy. My rod tip didn't budge a tiny, like even a tiny bit.
No.
So like when I felt something, I just thought I was snagged or I was like on your line or something. I didn't think that I had a fish on until I like
Put your
felt it.
white perch in the cooler.
Yeah. I was gonna like try to put him in the net or something. I was like, wait a sec. This could be a
Dude,
nice
this is a
fish.
flathead.
You think it might be a little drummy?
No, it's not a drum. It's yeah, it's a nice channel.
Yeah, that's a nice cat. Get in here. Get up here. Nice. Nice one, dude.
Dude,
That's
that
a
thing
nice
looks sick,
catfish.
dude. It's like
That's sweet, dude.
it's like bright yellow, dude.
That's a great hook set on him too.
I know, dude.
Nice catfish, buddy. Yeah, that's sick, dude. Nice.
Beautiful channel. This is fun, dude. I'm glad we did this.
Dude, yeah, seriously, this is f***ing
Not what I
awesome.
was expecting.
That's a beautiful cat.
Yeah, dude.
A beefy 5-layer, please.
My roommate was like,
Beg
oh,
for it, beg for it.
My roommate was like, oh, dude, the BT 5 roast. What the
That's f***ing funny.
Never catch me more like that.
You have to like say it
It's
at
like
the
when you go to a restaurant and you like look at like the Big Daddy burger or something. I'm like, I am not. I'll just get a chicken sandwich, man. You're getting bit.
Oh really?
You're getting bit. That was like a channel cat.
Yeah, he's on. Yeah, he's on there.
Oh, it's a little one.
Get in here.
Let's catch that right there.
Nice. That's sick. That's actually sick. See you, buddy. Oh, dude, that one. That white one. See that?
I don't know if it's still on. I think it is.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, dude. Does it feel big? Yo. Some shit might have just happened.
Yeah, it's a channel.
Looks like a big one, though.
Okay. It felt big at first, but it was on a long.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a nice channel catfish.
Most disappointing channel catfish ever.
Dude, don't say that. What you mean? Could have been flatty. Nice. Finally got something on one of the big rods.
That thing is big though. Jeez.
Yeah. Swallowed or nothing. Dude, that's a good catfish. Look at that.
Dude, that thing's nice.
That's nice, dude. Do you mind if I unhook him?
What? No. I got
Perfect hook
pliers
set
right
just in the corner of the mouth right there. Sweet, dude. He's f***ing croaking at us. It's a nice catfish, buddy. Sweet. Oops. Ooh, fish on, you guys. Hopefully if it stays on. Oh my god. That is the cutest little tiny channel catfish I've ever caught. Let's get this guy unhooked. That's so cute. Such a cool little fish. See you, buddy. Oh shit, dude.
You got something?
I just went to check mine and it was just...
Oh my god.
down
What,
there.
you got him?
Yeah,
Looks like a catfish?
probably did. Did you f***ing see that?
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Perch? No? Perch.
Yeah, it is.
Nice perch.
Nice. Are you a f***ing giant one, maybe?
Dude, it's another big
Dude,
ass
holy-
one, dude.
This one's bigger.
Last,
Dude, this one's definitely bigger. Look how fat it is.
holy
Oh my god, yo. Look at that. That is a donkey white perch.
Dude, that thing should be 11.
Might be, actually. Dude, he's 0.99.
0.99?
I'm gonna call it a pound. Yeah. Yeah, this guy's clearly over 11. This guy's like 11 and a quarter.